Welcome back to X Car, where today we're diving deep into the exterior design of the 2025 BYD Denza, a car that combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek and modern aesthetic. Let's break down everything that makes the exterior of this EV a standout in the electric vehicle market. Starting with the front, the 2025 BYD Denza showcases a bold and futuristic look. One of the first things you'll notice is the slim, sharp headlights, which feature a sleek LED design that wraps around the car's front, adding a sense of sophistication and high-tech appeal. The front grille is minimalistic, with a clean, aerodynamic shape that not only looks great but also helps with airflow, reducing drag and improving the car's efficiency on the road. The Denza's body is characterized by smooth lines and well-defined curves, giving it an elegant, almost sculptural appearance. The curves are not just for show either. They're designed to enhance aerodynamics, with the car having a low drag coefficient to improve range and stability at high speeds. This sleek exterior design isn't just about looks, it's about performance too, and the Denza hits the mark with both. When you look at the side profile, the 2025 Denza is instantly recognizable with its elongated, flown design. The long wheelbase and short overhangs give it a sporty stance, while the sharp creases along the body add a dynamic edge. The side mirrors are sleek, and the car is equipped with flush door handles, which pop out when you approach the car, further emphasizing its modern, tech-forward nature. Moving to the rear, the Denza continues its streamlined look, with a stylish LED light bar that spans the width of the car, providing a striking visual signature at night. The rear window is designed to enhance visibility while maintaining that sleek, uninterrupted look, and the integrated rear spoiler adds a sporty touch, improving the car's aerodynamics even further. The rear also features a subtle, yet noticeable, diffuser, which not only enhances the car's visual appeal but also contributes to its overall aerodynamic efficiency. One of the most striking elements of the 2025 Denza's exterior is its wheel design. The car boasts large, multi-spoke wheels that provide a perfect blend of elegance and performance. These wheels are made of lightweight materials to reduce weight and enhance driving dynamics, giving the Denza an agile feel on the road. The tire design is optimized for electric vehicles, focusing on low rolling resistance for better energy efficiency without compromising grip. The color palette of the Denza is another notable feature, with a range of sophisticated shades that complement its premium design. From sleek metallics to deep, rich tones, these colors give the car a luxurious, high-end look, making it appealing to a wide range of buyers looking for style and performance in their electric vehicle. In terms of overall dimensions, the Denza strikes a balance between being compact enough for urban environments while still offering ample space and a confident presence on the road. Its proportions make it feel stable and planted, with a sense of purpose that's backed by its performance capabilities. In conclusion, the 2025 BYD Denza exterior design combines beauty with functionality. It's a car that looks fast even when it's standing still, and its design elements are all purposefully integrated to enhance both aesthetics and performance. Whether it's the futuristic front, the sleek side profile, or the bold rear, every aspect of the Denza is carefully crafted to make a statement on the road. Thanks for watching this detailed exterior breakdown, and make sure to subscribe to X Car for more in-depth reviews and automotive content.